Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Dr. Barira Javed. And today I decided to discuss a patient with you that I saw yesterday. And with reference to that patient, I decided to have a session on difference between true seizure and a pseudo seizure. Means पेशेंट जो है उसको फिट्स अगर आ रहे हैं तो हाउ विल बी डिफ्रेंशिएट कि उसको ट्रू फिट्स हैं या ही इज़ प्रिटेंडिंग, ठीक है ना, सूडो फिट्स हैं. सो पहले मैं थोड़े डिफरेंसेस बता दूँ, देन आई विल कम टू माय पेशेंट. बेसिकली जो ट्रू फिट्स होते हैं, in those in the true fit, basically the true fit lasts less than 2 minutes. It is not longer than that. However, the pseudo fits, they may last for several minutes. There is the difference in the time and the duration. Second difference is in you have to see the eyes of the patient. In pseudo fits, the eyes are usually closed, tightly closed, whereas in true fits, the eyes are open. Other third thing is that in pseudo fit there is usually an emotional stress, a triggering factor, a thing which the patient did not like, and he or she started to have show fit like activity. While in epileptic seizures there is no as such stimulus which led to the seizures. Another difference is that basically in pseudo fits there is vocalization. Vocalization means patient might be screaming, patient might be crying, whereas in true fits there is no vocalization as such. Similarly, when there is vocalization and when you use loud noise, when there is any loud noise in front of the patient of the pseudo fits, he or she stops seizing, whereas the patient of the true fits, it does not stop. So here are the few, and another difference is that in pseudo fits the patient never harms himself or herself, whereas in true fits patient may harm himself or herself. So this was the basic difference between true fits and pseudo fits. Now, if now we have come to the point, we have finalized that patient is having true fits, right? So we have to decide the type of the seizure patient is having. There are multiple type of seizures, including grand mal seizures, generalized tonic-clonic seizures, myoclonic seizures, absence seizures, focal seizures, right? So in the next session, inshallah, we will discuss about the difference between different types of epileptic fits.